this secret niche is actually blowing up right now, and you can see this niche has earned lots of money. This is over $12,000 in revenue earnings, and you see that it currently has over 64,000 subscribers with just 34 videos. Okay, so it has accumulated over 5.5 million views. So I'm going to show you the exact strategies you can follow to replicate the success of this niche. This is actually in a documentary niche, okay, true crime, but with another video format that is actually, you know, in high demand right now on YouTube. So if you look here, you're going to see 3D animation style characters. So I'm going to show you how you can go about this. It's very easy, and you are going to learn these exact strategies that has worked over time, and you can replicate the success of this niche for yourself very easily. You see the most viewed video, that's the most popular one, has over 1.3 million views. Okay, so if you look at the titles and all that, you see what this channel is all about. So I'm going to show you how you can do it now. So the first thing you have to do is go over to ChatGPT, and there is a prompt that I'm going to share with you much later on in the course of this video. So this is the prompt, okay? So go to ChatGPT and copy this first prompt, which has to do with the video topic or video idea. So copy it. So I've just copied it, and I'll go to ChatGPT and paste it there. This is ChatGPT. Now, when you've pasted the prompt, right here where you have X, type the number of video topics or ideas you want. So if you want 30, you type it here. If you want 50 or 100, whatever number you want, you type it here. So I want 50. Okay. So if you scroll down, you see that this prompt is detailed. So just go ahead to click on submit. Now that you've done that, ChatGPT has started writing the video topics and ideas. So you see it gives us the title, and it shows the event details. So you can actually Google this or search for this, and you get to see that these are real events, but you are going to represent it using 3D animation, cinematic views. So you see these are a story or an event that occurred, which was even captured on Wikipedia. Okay, so the same thing applies to each and every one of these topics or video ideas here. So now that we have generated the topics, which you can see here, so we are going to go ahead to proceed to the next step, which is script generation. So let's generate the script. Use the second prompt in the document, which I will share with you how you are going to get it during the course of this tutorial. Okay, so go back to ChatGPT, and when you're ChatGPT, I'm going to open a new tab and paste it here. Now, right here, we're going to make just few changes: the title and the event details. So if you look at this topic section, you see that, like I showed you earlier on, it provides you the title and the event. So I'm going to just take a handful of this. So this is the title we're going to work with. So I'll copy this. Okay. So where you have the title, I'll remove this title and paste the video topic here. Then the events date here, I will copy it to, and I'll paste it here under details. Okay, so there you go. You see, we have customized it. So I'll click on support so that it will start writing the scripts. So these are the layouts that it's going to follow: hook, backstory. Then it will also create the full total script, which we should be in the range of 3,500 to 5,500 words. Okay, so you see this is it right here, and we have the scripts being written and generated with ChatGPT. So here you have it here, and the next thing is you are going to copy the scripts. So when you copy it, I'll place it in a word counter this way. So this is how it's going to be. I'll open up word counter so that we'll paste it there, or even a Google Doc. So any of the two can serve. So, but the next step has to do with generating the voiceover. So for voiceover, we're going to make use of 11 Labs. So open up 11 Labs and I'll paste the scripts here. So when you pasted it, just remove some of these captions, like this backstory, remove it. Okay, you can read through it to adjust anything you want. Now, when you have done that, go ahead to select settings and choose a voice, any voice here preferably use a male voice, because this is how to reach a documentary cinematic niche. So find a male voice that is captivating and select. So we're going to select it. Yeah, okay. This Chris is the one we've chosen. So leave all these settings at their default position. Then the next thing you have to do is click on generate. So it's going to start generating the scripts for you. Now, I want you to take note of something. Once it's done generating the scripts, you're going to see it lined up here. So click on this download option and download the MP3 file of the audio voiceover it has generated. Okay, so there you go. This is it right here. Now the next thing that we are going to do is we generate the images for this script. So to generate the images, open new ChatGPT window and go back to the prompts documents that I'm going to share with you. So select this and copy all these prompts for the image generation, paste it here. Now look at where you are going to make a few changes. Right here you have to copy that script. So go and copy your script. Okay, so this is the script. So copy it, then go to your prompts window and paste it here. This is the full script. Okay, now you are going to make another change here, which is the number of images you want. So if you want 100 images, you can type it here. If you want 10, 20, 30, so it depends on you. So let's generate 35 images. So click on submit. So it's going to start generating the prompts for this. So it's going to give you the image prompts and the video clip prompts for each and every one of these. Okay, so once it's done generating that, you can go ahead to open up Google Whisk AI image generator, or you just go to image FX. So any of these can serve. Once you type image FX on Google, it's going to open up this window right here. So when it opens it up, to go to Whisk, click on try Whisk. Now that we've clicked on that, then click on enter tool. So right here, what you need to do is very simple. Just copy the image prompts here and go back to that and paste it here. Then generate. Copy the next line of the image prompts. That's for the second one. Go back to where you have this and generate that too. So I'm going to go ahead to generate a whole lot of images so that you see what the final outlook will look like, or will be rather. So I will copy this and you should go to Whisk image generator, paste it there too. So when you are done generating the images as much as you want, as you have it right here, just go ahead to click on this hamburger icon, click on download all images. Okay, so after you are done clicking on that, it's going to zip all the images and download them at once for you. This helps you for faster image generation. Okay. So now the next thing you have to do is highlight all of them. That's highlight all the images because they're in zip folder, and click on extract to extract them to your PC so you can view them from your device or your system. Now you have all the images. We already have the voiceover audio. So the only thing that is remaining is the visual, the video. So we are going to convert all this to video now. So the next thing you have to do is go to Minimax Hilo AI. So it's actually a free image generator. That's image to video generator. So when you are here, drag and drop the appropriate image you want to convert to video for this documentary style niche. Okay, so drag and drop it into this window. Now go back to your ChatGPT and observe something. There's a video prompt for each of them. So you have to go and copy that video clip prompt. So I use it to generate the video. It's optional anyway. You can leave it at its default distance. So you can leave it like this or add it. So you can leave it blank. This is what I mean. Or you can just add the video prompt. So whichever way, once you click on this submit, you have that it's going to be added to this queue. That's to this generation queue. So if you look, you're going to see the previous ones I've generated. Okay, so these are another previous one I've generated for this. So this is how you go about generating these videos using the images you've created. Now I'll go over to this too. Let me show you this again so that you see what you have to do. Now go back here and add another image if you want to maybe generate for another one. So if you want to generate for this, let's use this time. Okay, so you just drag and drop it here. I'll add it to that window. Then after it has uploaded it, the next thing is for you to click on submit. So when you click on submit, you can see it's now queued for generation, video generation. Now that you have this right here, you see the different videos it has generated. Okay, so as you can see, the videos has been generated using the images we generated earlier. Okay, so I'll click on this download icon to download them to your device or your PC. It's very simple. So when you click on that, the download operation will start. Okay, so as we have downloaded all the clips I'm going to use for the sake of this tutorial, so you're going to see them right saved in your system. So the next thing is for us to edit this video. So click on CapCut. You can use any video editor actually, you know. So what I always prefer using CapCut. CapCut is actually free, so you can install it on your device or you use the web version. So when you are done, click on create projects. So as you have clicked on that, the next thing you have to do is go to where you saved all the downloaded videos. Okay, so go to where you saved it and import it into your timeline. Then the next thing is import your voiceover. So this is the voiceover we'll be working with. Okay, so I'm going to cut this here for the sake of this tutorial. Now we have the voiceover, we have the clips. The next thing you should do is rearrange the clips in the order of this of their sequence as you have it in your script. So this is the script right here. So let me show you. This is the full script. Okay, so we have to rearrange it in the order of this script so that everything will be synced properly. So make sure you reorder them one after the other. Then the next thing is click on adjustment layer, add a new adjustment layer here and cut it off from here to make sure it closes on. Now scroll down, add this vignette to add the shadow cinematic look and feel on it. Okay, so you can also add saturation and brightness, more or less, you know, try to improve the quality of the video clip. So you see it's very fantastic. The next thing you have to do is click on captions and generate captions for this. So caption generation is actually free and it helps to increase user retention and your view engagement in your videos. So let's generate that real quick. You're going to see how it's going to pan out. Okay, so there you go. This is it. So we're going to select the caption that's generated. Select any template of your choice here. Wide variety of different templates here. So I'm going to go ahead to just use one of these. So I will select this. This is too big. Let's choose another one. I think that's quite huge. Let's find something else. Okay, let's use this. Okay, so once you have selected your preferred caption, so depending on your choice, I will click on this and you can actually reduce the size, that's the scale size of this. Okay, Then the next thing you can also do is go to effects, and when you come to effects, you have black noise. You can add the black noise effect to this. So this is black noise effects. Okay, so if you play this, you're going to see the effects on the screen. So you can either reduce or increase the speed thereof. So bring this down so that it won't intertwine with the captions that you have earlier on. Then the next thing that you can do is add transitions. So click on transitions. There are a wide variety of transition options here. Okay, so you can go ahead to select any one. So for example, if you hover over this, you're going to see how it's going to look like. Let me add this here. Drag and drop it there. Then do you see how it spans out? Then if you want it to be the same transition applied in all of these clips, just click on this and select apply to all. It's going to be applied to all your clips. So there you have it. It's not compulsory to add background sound or audio, but you can add it from YouTube library. Okay, so you can just go ahead to export. Now while exporting, there's a hack that's very important. Make sure you export in 4K, 4K and 30 frames per second. The reason is simple. It gives your video more cinematic look and feel, and gives you better chance of having your video being shown to TV users on YouTube. Okay, so this is how you can easily replicate this channel, and you'll be able to gain traction faster and success in your faceless YouTube automation niche. So I would like to know what your thoughts are in the comment section below. Meanwhile, the prompt that I use, the prompt pack that I use is in the WhatsApp channel right there in the description of this video. So if you want, you can join the WhatsApp channel. You are going to see it right inside it. Okay, along with other prompts pack for different niches. You can also ask your questions down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates and tutorials like this.